everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another look with you using Greek Tragedy palette. So this is look number 2, and this look is totally giving me sunflower vibes, which is why I titled it this. I just wanted to play with the yellow in the palette, and this is what I came up with. Also, this look is kind of giving me fall vibes too. So, Rimmel Greek Tragedy look number 2. To get started, I'm using the Photo Focus eyeshadow primer from WetnWild and the Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder under the eyes to catch fallouts. First up in the palette, I'm going to be taking the really pretty yellow shade in the palette. And this is such a pretty shade, and I'm going to take this on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to windshield wiper this back and forth in the crease. I am going to go over this a few times to build the shade up. These shades actually are really nicely pigmented for the price. This is a $10 eyeshadow palette at Walmart. And from Hard Candy, the eyeshadows are really nice and creamy. And this shade called Underworld, it's a dark chocolate brown, and I'm going to take this on a pointed pencil crease kind of brush, or a detailing brush, whatever you want to call it, and apply this in the outer corner. And I'm going to build this up, and then I'm going to start putting it in the crease with the yellow for blending. And these two shades do mesh pretty nicely together. Sometimes mattes are hard to blend, but this palette has been working really nicely. And you'll see me go back in with some of the yellow shade. If you don't build the yellow shade up, I just want to throw this out there, it's going to be like a wash of yellow and really nice and pretty as well and bright. But building it up gives you this nice, beautiful, like marigold, like yellow. It's so pretty. Now I'm taking the shimmery gold shade in the palette. I'm taking that on a flat shader brush. Of course, I'm spritzing it to foil it so it can work to its full potential, be nice and shimmery and bright. And now you're going to see me go in and blend the lid with the crease shade. And I'm going to use the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and this is going to be my brow bone highlighter. It's just a nice vanilla shade. I'm using this on a large shader brush, and first I'm going to pat the shade under the brow bone, and then you're going to see me drag it down into the crease shade and start blending it with the other shades on the crease. So once I have that, I'm going to wipe away my fallout using this huge e.l.f. body brush, and I'm going to take the dark brown on the lower lash line and a little more than halfway, and then I'm going to take the pretty yellow and I'm putting it towards the inner corner and the rest of the lid. This is from Maybelline Eyestudio. It's just a shimmery, glittery silver white eyeshadow. I'm going to spritz that and use it in the inner corner on a small detailing brush, or with a small detailing brush, and just apply that in the corner. I'm trying to use this shade up. And NYX matte eyeliner, I'm going to do a quick wing. I have sped this up, but I do have some detailed eyeliner kind of videos if you're interested. I will try to remember to link those in the cards for you guys, and I have a lot of beginner videos as well that I'll link up there. So from Believe Beauty, the long lasting Caviar eyeliner, and I'm going to tie-line with that, or well, not tie-line, but I'm going to take it in my upper rim and tie-line the upper rim. And from LaColors, this is their gel eyeliner in Citrus. Do not sleep on these gel eyeliners from LaColors. They are wonderful. And this is the Lash Essence Lash Princess mascara. A couple coats of that. And for lips, I'm obsessed with this lip combo. It's a Maybelline lip liner and this Cherry Cherie Nude matte lip. It doesn't have a name, but I just apply that over the lip liner, and I think this lip is gorgeous. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, stay tuned for more looks using the Greek Tragedy eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Remember to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more looks.